In this video, we're going to take a look at RPDs, demographics, and reporting tools. So first off, the demographics can be accessed by clicking these two buttons at the bottom of the panel on the right. So if we go ahead and select retail centres, you can see this legend has appeared at the top left, which gives us a list of the different types of retail centre, and they're colour coordinated with what's appearing on the map. So this is useful, although you could see the same information by potentially bringing up markers. It's useful just to get a nice clear view, especially if you're potentially working with your custom lists to see where particular stores are, and just to see what the surrounding retail areas look like in comparison without being overloaded with markers on the map. Next up is the affluence. So selected that, you can see the legend is updated. Dark blue is more wealthy or more affluent areas, and as we make our way up to red, they're less affluent. You can hover over the different areas to get a percentile score. And again, it's useful if you're maybe not familiar with an area to see what the relative affluence of that area is like. Next up is the drive time feature. So that's accessed by pressing this button up here. You'll see that once you've clicked it, the mouse changes to crosshairs, and we just select a location to run the report. So if I zoom out a little bit, you'll note that this box has now appeared in the bottom left, and the colours represent the drive times that have been drawn on the map. So for example, red is 10 minutes drive time of the selected location, and this is showing the population that lives within that area. So you are able to update these as you wish. So just simply type in a new number and it'll recalculate it for you, redraw it on the map. You also have the option of choosing not only drive time, but cycle time and walk time, which are probably more useful for in-town units. Finally, there is a distance feature as well, which is the distance in miles from the location. And that's driving distance from the selected location. Again, showing the populations that live within that area. You can then combine this information, as you can see here, with the layers that we've added to the map. So it's useful to see where the stores are, or in relation to a site that you may be looking at, to help you with your research and so on.